All of us have insulated casserole in our homes to keep food warm and aromatic. Without insulated casserole, it is impossible to store our cooked food in a way that retains that food's freshness and keeps it hot. Everything has a life, so does an insulated casserole. When a casserole gets damaged, then we can have something very useful from inside it. Every insulated casserole has stainless steel bowl installed inside it. Stainless steel is a group of ferrous alloys that contain a minimum of approximately 11% chromium, a composition that prevents the iron from rusting and also provides heat-resistant properties. This is a damaged insulated casserole, so I have decided to take out the stainless steel bowl installed inside it before throwing it away. To take out the stainless steel bowl from it, we should be careful, or the bowl might get damaged. The stainless steel bowl is very thin, so we should take it out slowly by ripping the sides. After taking it out, wash it properly, and we can do a lot of things with this bowl. We can make cake, roti dough, and many other things with it.
Sugar. Butter, refined.
All of us have insulated casserole in our homes to keep food warm and aromatic. Without insulated casserole, it is impossible to store our cooked food in a way that retains that food's freshness and keeps it hot. Everything has a life, so does an insulated casserole. When a casserole